Step 1. Prepare yourself mentally to fully focus on the speaker and their message. Minimize distractions, clearing your mind of other thoughts. Step 2. Make eye contact with the speaker to show them you are paying attention and engaged in what they are saying. Step 3. Pay attention to the speaker's nonverbal cues like body language, tone of voice, and facial expressions. Step 4. Avoid interrupting the speaker while they are talking, even if you have something you want to say. Step 5. Use verbal cues such as "I see," "yes," or to show you are listening and following along. Step 6. Ask clarifying questions to ensure you fully understand the speaker's message and their perspective. Step 7. Paraphrase and summarize the speaker's points to confirm your understanding of their message. Step 8. Reflect on the speaker's feelings and emotions to demonstrate empathy and create a deeper connection. Step 9. Be aware of your own biases and assumptions, and avoid letting them influence your understanding. Step 10. Provide honest and constructive feedback to the speaker once they are finished speaking, if appropriate.